Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to get this door panel off, door card. It's quite simple, should have it off in a couple of minutes. We only need a couple of tools for this. We've got, I think it's a TX20 bit and a couple of screwdrivers. First thing we've got to do is get rid of this plastic trim along here, and if we get into the edge of that with his fingers and just pull it back, just gently give it a wiggle and it will come away. Just work your way along. Bingo, there you go. And that's just like these little bolt clips pushed into the clips in the door. So that's that out of the way. Next we've got a couple of screws. We've got one in there, one in there, one in there, one in there, and one behind here. So we'll pull this off as well. We'll get rid of this I'll just get a screw behind that, just pop that up. That's that coming away, and we'll just work that away. Hey, it's alive. Right, so that's rid of that as well. So let's get these screws out. We've got the smaller one there, so let's just have a look, see what we've got. Yeah, there's your TX20 there. So we'll get the bit in the end of the screwdriver. Knock that one out of there. That one there. All the same screws, and the other one is just in here. There we go, that's that one out. Alright, now what we're going to do is just work his way around the edge of the door. So let me just drop you down a little bit. We're just going to work his way around the edge of this door frame, just popping it out. Slide this bottom corner, get my fingers behind it. Just get a little screwy just to start. If I start in the bottom, just to put it in behind it, and then just lever it back just enough to get my fingers in there. That first one's always a tight one, so I'm just going to work his way along now, just gently prising as we go, popping these clips off all the way around. Oh, that's a tight one up there. So it's just this one up here that's playing hard to get. Oh, that was tight. Must be some somewhere. Oh, got another screw in there. Fool. Took all the screws out. There we go. Always makes it easy, doesn't it, when you take all the screws? Oh dear. Right, and then once we got to this stage, we're just going to lift the panel up and it should slide off the top. So just put my knee underneath the panel there and just give it a little shoving up as I'm wiggling it. There we go, bingo. Right. Just get that screw out of there. That's that last one. Right. Now then, come around here. This is behind the door frame. So to completely get this off, we've just got to unplug a couple of bits. We've got the speaker there. So just unplug that. We've got the door latch here, so we just pull that down and then feed that around, and that's that one off. We've then got the electric window switch there, which again we just grab hold of, give it a little wiggle and pull that out. And then the last one is for the light on the bottom, and we just give that one a little pull out as well, and that's that one out. That's the whole lot away, and the panel's now free. What you have got to be careful of is the these little foam inserts that just go around the edge of the wire. See, this one's actually been trapped in the wire, look. But we'll get that off of there if we can. Just stop the door panel squeaking. And they actually go back. They go back around these clips. See, that one's still got one on it. That one's got one on it. That one has. That one has. And the two ones that are missing are these ones at the bottom, look. So we just put those back on again. Just pop them on there. 1, 2. There we go. Right, let's get this door panel back on again. And now we can reconnect all his cables and things. So we'll start off with that one. Get that over the hook first and then pull it down and get it back in its little clip there. We've got the one at the bottom for the light, so we'll reconnect that one back in there. Yeah, a bit fiddler. That's the light one in, and we've got his window switch to go in there. That's that one in, and then we've got this speaker wire at the top. That there should clip into that there like that, keep that out of the way, and then there's a little speaker wire back in there. We'll get this little, poke that through the top of the for the top of the door thing. Line this up and then pop it back on again. Just bashing it all the way around so they're all in. Feels good. Super. And we can go through screws. last but not least, that one there, and we can have his door handle back on there. Just press that back in place. And then we've got this metal trim, well, this plastic trim that looks like metal. Get it the right way around, that was a good start. And then we just line those up. Push that back in as well. Job's a good one. So that's the panel all back on. Let's give it a quick wipe down. The old Grimex wipes, brilliant for getting the grease off around your latches and stuff. They're a fantastic bit of kit. So interior panels and everything. Get rid of all them grubby fingerprints if you've left some on here. And if you've ever had water ingress coming in from down your seals, chances are it's because of this one at the top here, and it's got some algae and grime on it, and it just stops it sealing. So if you get these in there and absolutely scrub it down, they lift this off really, really easy, because it is a bit it's a bit hard to get off sometimes. There we go, good as new. And all this in the door shuts, you say, where it leaks through the gap, comes down the seal, hits that algae where it's not sealing quite right, and then gets in behind your door trim. I think it always makes a difference when these door shuts are nice and clean. Just top finishing touch. It's a bit that gets overlooked, isn't it? But when they're all clean and shiny, looks $1 million. Bingo. We have it. Door panels on, looking really good. Not a simple job, didn't take us too long, did it? I put links in for the grime wipes, T20 Torx bit, screwdriver, all in the description. Been any use to you, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.